Mike with the Texas Air Doctors. We're cleaning a condensing coil today that appeared to be clean at first until we removed the panels. You can't always go just by the outside. You actually need to look into the unit and see how dirty the unit is. So you can see with this one here, it almost looks like there is a sheet of cloth over it. Once you wash the unit out with a hose, it does appear to be clean, but there will be a lot of dirt down inside these fins that the water hose cannot get out. You want to wash it down with water first, because if you put the condensing coil cleaner on it right away, it will actually eat up the coil too much and it will deteriorate the life of the coil. You want to make sure that you do use some type of foaming gun so that it will hook up to the water hose and it will actually produce a good amount of foam to get down inside the coil. If you do only use a pump-up sprayer, it's only going to get to the surface of it, and you want to make sure that you are actually getting all the way through the coil. As you can see, this does actually foam up a lot more than what a pump-up sprayer would actually foam. And as you look towards the bottom, you can see all the dirt and trash that is being washed out of the unit. And as it sits for about 5 to 10 minutes, more stuff will start to come to the surface, and whenever you wash it out, it will wash it all the way down to the bottom, and you will have a clean condensing coil afterwards. As you can see now, after letting it sit for 10 minutes and washing it out, there is a lot of trash that does wash out towards the bottom of this unit that it was down deep inside the fins. You notice all the water is turning dark brown, and you can see it actually running down through the fins and out of the unit. And that's what you want to have happen once you do have the unit clean, is the water should start to come clean after you have washed it all out and let it soak with acid. This is how your condenser should look after it is clean. You can look inside these fins and you can see the tubes that the Freon does run through. If you can see these tubes, you do know that the condensing coil is clean and that you are getting the most efficiency out of this unit as possible. Once again, this is Mike with Texas Air Doctors.